We're here at Power GPU with the owner, Jese Martinez, and we're gonna be putting his price knowledge for PCs and PC components to the test. But it's not just retail, it's not just MSRP stuff, it is Facebook Marketplace.
We'll see.
Also, if you would like to follow along, we're gonna be doing a kind of a challenge. So we're gonna check the differences. So if the PC or something costs $1,000 and he says $1,200, the difference would be $200. You're gonna add up all of the differences from all of the listings and you're gonna compile all of that and you're gonna give me your score at the end in the description below and you're gonna see if you beat Jesse.
In the comments down below.
Comments.
You said in the description.
Yeah, write my description for me, please.
Do it for him.
Please.
He needs help.
All right, so.
That's being sold on Facebook?
So this is option number 1. It is a 4080 gaming PC, okay? Professionally built custom PC, runs beautifully with great frames in all games, Windows installed, plug and play ready. And you have the parts list right there. Just the big ones, if you want to point them out, we have a Intel i9 13900K, and we have an Asus TUF 4080 overclock motherboard in a Lian Li case, 1 terabyte of space.
Hold on, someone posted this for
This
sale?
is on Facebook Marketplace.
Right now?
Right now.
That's our photo.
That is your photo.
That is our PC.
All right.
I saw the cable management, I was like, wait, that's good cable management.
Yeah. And then, so whoever posted this also.
1300K, okay.
Yeah.
Was 64 gigs, yeah.
Showing all the different.
Look at that, XMP's enabled.
Oh, look at that, dude. Okay. Yeah. So now the question is, how much would this PC be cost used on Facebook Marketplace? So
this guy probably spent, back when they bought it, 1300K probably about 2 years ago, going on maybe 3. He probably spent around $4,300 for this build because it is a Lian Li decked out PC. Yeah, it's got a 4080 TUF carbon motherboard. Used
right now on Facebook Marketplace.
I would probably sell it for like 27 or 2,600.
Okay.
Somewhere around
there. The big price reveal. $2,500, originally listed for $2,850. So you're right on the money. What was the price you said? So this was $2,500?
I said 26, 27.
All right, so I'll give you 26. I'll give you 26. So that's only the difference of 100. So we move on. We're looking at the NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super Gigabyte Slim Wukong Edition. It is a used card. And I do see the Ninja Turtles in there too.
Yeah, there's a lot of
he's all about whoever this is. Yeah, I do like the connector. It's very cool.
Yeah.
I like that.
90 degree,
yeah. The 90-degree connector. It's very cool, very cool.
Okay.
And that's what the full PC looks like. But he is only selling the GPU. What do you think the cost is?
With these listings, people, it's an extreme. You have people that overcharge.
Okay, so let's read the description, right? Maybe you get a feel of what kind of person it is.
Because I see it says like new.
Yeah, see, okay.
December 2024, only 4 months old. I feel like this person's gonna be like, I can get most of my money back.
Bought in December 2024. See the pictures. Barely used, like new.
I'm gonna say 500 bucks.
$500.
Am I way off?
I don't know, I don't remember. I did this really late last night.
Am I way off?
Ready? Jesse locks in. You're locking in $500?
I feel like this guy's gonna overcharge. Okay, go ahead.
500 locked in. He's
$740.
Originally
he's out of his mind.
Originally up for 800, 740. Maybe he thinks there's some value in the Wukong edition.
You can get a 9070.
All right,
you said 4070 Super non-TI.
That's a 240. That was a rough one for you. $240 difference. And we move on.
I'm blown away on that one.
I will go through the description. This is a gaming PC, RTX 4060 plus Ryzen 7, 32 gigs of RAM as well. Condition is like new. 1 terabyte of storage. Let's go through the little description and maybe give you a little feel of what kind of person this is, okay? Not accepting trades. I am a not accepting trades kind of person too on Facebook Marketplace. I'm there to sell things, not swap things for an iPhone. You know what I mean?
You never know if it works or not either, too.
Exactly. Great setup for someone for up-to-date PC that can run games well, can run streams as well. Also good for 3D rendering and video editing as well.
A lot of wells.
Did you know that as well?
I had no idea as well.
If you have any questions about the PC or if there are any specific games you wanted to know about, just message me. I can send a video of it running if requested, for serious buyers only. And then it shows the specs. 4060, Ryzen 7 5700, B450 motherboard, 32 gigs of RAM, 360 millimeter AIO water-cooled CPU cooler, 650 watt power supply, and 1 terabyte SSD. Let's check a look real quick at the photos. I do think it's pretty funny when people make photos like this because it's all the same photo, just different colors.
I like the white one.
Yeah.
That looks good. That looks pretty.
Yeah.
It actually looks pretty clean, really well built. I see the cables are tucked behind the motherboard as well. That's actually kind of impressive.
The thing that stood out to me was that the bottom mesh of this photo, the green photo,
It's clean.
you can see through,
Yeah.
and you don't see a rat's nest of cables.
Guy did a good job.
What do you think the cost is?
So if I were to buy this PC, if I was in the market looking for PC used and I saw this, me personally, I'd probably offer around $450.
Okay.
Actually, no, it's a 4060. Hold on. 4060, no. I would say 7, actually. I'm gonna say 750.
$750 locked in price.
Yeah, I'm gonna say 750. What they're selling it for.
All right. And the final price is $1,200.
Bro, there's no way. $1,200? Are you just giving me crazy? $1,200?
That's a $450 difference,
All right, this
Jesse.
is
That's the worst
ridiculous.
one yet.
This is getting ridiculous.
That's the worst
I
one
was able to
yet.
price out our own build. I can't price out these lunatics.
So we're going gaming and streaming PC. AM5 Ryzen RTX 3070. Newly built water-cooled, which is interesting to me because it's not water-cooled, it just has an AIO pump in it, but I wouldn't really register as that, but hey, he's a salesman, you know? You know about being a salesman. Gaming and streaming PC with AMD's industry-leading AM5 platform. Ready to handle any game. Oh my God, I can't even he's just doing the whole salesman thing. Ready to do the whole game.
Enjoy years of gaming and heavy workloads without stress and water cooled. Water cooler has fully controlled LCD screen. Wait, what screen is it? What cooler does he have?
Let's take a look.
What is that?
I've never seen that one
It just
before.
says, oh God, his pictures are so saturated.
Yeah, dude, he wants to show that it goes in different colors. You didn't know that?
That is heavily
You can't
saturated.
even see anything.
I can't see what the parts are.
I mean, that one's not bad. You can see it a little better on the screen.
It's still way too saturated.
I agree.
I'm gonna make this one quick. The other one said 12. I'm gonna say 1,000 because this other guy said $1,200 for lesser specs than this.
All right.
It's gotta be
3070 build, Ryzen 5 7500F.
water cooled,
16 gig.
controllable LCD screen. I swear to God, if this thing is $1,500.
$1,200.
Okay, that's not.
That's not too bad. It's only a $200
I
difference.
would not buy that for $1,200 or 1,000. Just FYI, I would be like $600, bro. You're out of your mind. Like, dude, that's the thing with selling this stuff, bro. It's just.
Well, you also have to think that people on Facebook are gonna get haggled, right?
Yeah, but that's ridiculous.
I agree.
He's off by double.
But I feel like a lot of people are just shooting their shot. They're hoping for that soccer mom that doesn't know what he's doing, that's trying to get her son his first PC, you know?
happens a lot, yeah.
You know,
The mom calls in, hey, is this good for gaming? Oh yeah!
Fortnite, 250
Which it is. I mean, it is a
FPS.
good gaming PC, but not for $1,200, dude.
All right, we're on to the fifth one.
Oh,
Okay, this is the only photo that the person offered.
that's tough.
The description, gaming PC. Good PC built in 2020, runs everything I've tried. RuneScape, Warzone, and
It
DayZ.
starts off with RuneScape. Runs everything.
Got new PC, been using it as a backup / parts. I think computer is in sleep hibernation mode.
What? What does that mean?
I don't know, but the only photo he put was this.
What are the specs?
There is none.
Oh, this is just one of
This
those
is, hey,
little roulette, huh?
hey, keep going.
Oh my God.
The first thing that stood out to me was the motherboard had the old mouse connection.
yeah.
I don't remember the prices of these, I swear.
$375.
$375 is your number. Really making me do some math today, huh? Okay, ready? The price is $150.
Wow.
Yeah, guy's realistic.
But we don't know the specs.
Nope. So that is
Wow.
225 difference.
This is rough.
Alienware gaming PC. I want a gun. It's too heavy to keep moving around, and I got a new PC If you come get it, you'll see why I mean it's so heavy.
Yeah, they were really heavy. I remember those.
Okay. He originally spent $2,500 on Amazon for this build.
I had that same exact PC. When Target Direct was going under, I bought those for like $200 a piece.
Oh.
I bought 2 of them. The same exact PC. Holy crap.
So it's
6800 and a GTX 1080.
It's an Alien Area 51 Signature Edition gaming desktop. It has an Intel iCore 6th Gen 6800X, an NVIDIA GTX 1080, 8 gig card, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte hard drive, and yeah, at that time, it just wanted to tell you it had a DVD drive. This is his setup.
Why is there, what is that on the floor? Oh, a cat thing.
Yeah, this is a cat thing. I would like to also mention, I didn't want to like put him out there, but he also did upload a video for this ad. It was him playing Schedule 1.
I'm gonna say 750, 700. Bro, I'm way off right now. But
Don't forget, he just wants a gun.
$50 for the, or no,
He wants a gun.
Oh, he wants a gun.
He wants a gun, it's heavy.
Screw it, 500.
It's heavy.
500.
Okay.
Lock it in.
Originally up for $825, but on sale for $200.
Wait, where's this at? That's actually good. That's the first one that I actually said it's good.
$200, get rid of it right now, Alien. I'm not a big fan of Alienware PCs, I'm just not.
But that's actually one of the good ones. That's like the older ones. Dang, 1600K?
Yeah.
1080?
1080, yeah.
That's not bad. Okay, I have respect for this guy. Give me his number.
$300 difference on that one.
Wow.
Oh, by the way, at the end of this video, you add this up, and that's what you have to pay me, by the way. Wanted to let you know that. Gaming PC setup. So we're not just looking at a PC on this one, we're looking at a bunch of other components as well. So, the condition is used like new. I'm gonna say BS on that one. Used like new, or better offer. The accessories alone, almost 400 in store. I can do 130. If you want to throw the monitor in, it's an extra 160. It's a Predator 280 hertz monitor. We can talk about price. I kinda need money. So, he needs money. He's a little desperate. Mm-hmm. He's saying, hey, $400 for all the peripherals, but you can get it for 130. Extra monitor, 160. 2 keyboards, 3 mice. And don't forget his pill bottle in the top right corner.
I see that. 1660 Super.
Yep, 1660 Super. This was the only data for what's in the PC.
350.
350.
He's desperate.
He's desperate. You lock it in 350.
Used like new. God, I have a feeling this guy's gonna charge more.
$400. Best one yet.
Okay.
I'm wondering if one of these times you're actually gonna get it right.
Like, spot on?
Yeah, there's only a $50 difference. Best one yet?
That's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't pay that much for that PC, that piece.
No.
I'll be like $150, bro, $100. Like,
not even.
Yeah, I'm not.
No.
I need to know what's in there first.
So this is a gaming PC. I'm assuming that someone upgraded, brought their GPU over, and brought their data over. But this is a gaming PC with no GPU, no SSD. It's a gaming PC used for 3 years, in great condition and very well taken care of. Selling because I used the graphics card for the computer in my new build. RGB is 100% programmable and functional. It has a Intel Core i7 11700K. It has a motherboard from Asus TUF Gaming B60M plus Wi-Fi. 195 value, by the way. He's kind of giving you an idea of the value of things as he moves down. Oh, he's mix matching RAM.
Yeah, he's got a 32 gig kit and then a 16 gig kit. So he's got 16 gig sticks and 8 gig sticks in there as well.
Facebook Marketplace, baby, you know what I mean? And we have a 750 watt power supply and a Kraken water cooler.
And then a Kraken cooler at $140 value? Yeah. No.
So let's look at the photos real quick.
Wait, no, he's got, oh yeah, I see the Viper RAM. I see it. It's right next to it. You see it?
Yeah, they're like choo 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 choo.
Yeah. I'm gonna say 500.
You're looking at me like I'm the dealer at like a blackjack table and I'm gonna tell you what I got.
550.
You said that with confidence. $600. All
right, that's not bad.
Yeah.
I wouldn't buy it for that much,
You're
but
getting
still.
better at this, dude. It's only a $50 difference.
Okay, we're on a roll.
We're on a roll.
Oh.
PC.
i9 14700K. Hold on.
Yeah, KF.
So it's an i9.
Yep.
Not an i7. My man's SEO marketing. He's got an i7 14700KF in there and he put an i9. All right, SEO marketing.
Hey.
He's lying.
4070 i9/i7 14700 KF Kraken cooler case.
It's a Kraken.
Kraken.
Kraken cooler.
It's a Kraken. Cooler case with screen, height Y70 case. Send offers, accepting e-bike trade.
That's interesting, but okay. I've never seen that before.
And then again, this is the only picture.
So it's a prime board. I see that.
Yeah.
It looks like a 4060. Could be a 4070, sorry. It's a 4070. Yeah, I was about to say it could be a 4070. He said that already.
He put his dog's paws
in the PC.
Yeah. Hopefully the dog's still around.
I feel he's gonna ask for like 12 to 13, so I'm gonna say 1250.
You're making me work on those numbers, huh?
Sorry.
It's fine, dude.
1253. No.
$2,200. Originally listed for $2,750. Yeah, I know, Jesse. $2,200. You were almost.
They're out of their mind.
You are almost $1,000 off.
$2,200.
$950. I feel like the PC market
It's so
on Facebook Marketplace is kind of like those people that put a lot of like money into that really bad car, like the old Honda Civic that's like about to fall apart, but they put all like the money into it, and then they expect to get that money back out when they sell it.
Well, a lot of people, it's funny because I've had people reach out to me, they're like, hey, are you willing to buy back my PC? And I look at it, I'm like, oh, you bought it a year ago, this and that, whatever. And I like, honestly, you're better off selling on the marketplace, but I'm gonna give you like 25 to 30% of what you paid for it. And they're like, wait, why so little? I'm like, go look at the market, you'll see. It's worse than cars.
So we have the MSI Gaming NVIDIA RTX 5080, 16 gigs of DDR7. I don't really want to go into it, but hey, he accepted Zelle, Venmo, very popular. He did the whole selling. You know, I can't find it anywhere.
He said, safe area due to this expensive meetup. I'm gonna go straight for this one too. Sealed 5080.
Sealed 5080.
I'm gonna say he's gonna ask for about 1,500.
Just want to show you those photos real quick. 1,500?
I'm gonna say 1,500.
I'm locking in for 1,500. Price is?
1,550. Yeah, let's go. See?
1,550, dude. $50.
Because that card I think it retails for like $15.99 or something like that, or $16, somewhere around there. So, okay, it's not bad.
We're on to our last and final.
Like
I am selling whole as photo.
I'm selling whole as photo.
Yeah. I think you meant like whole ass photo.
Plus Del Keeping.
When I saw this last night, Jesse, I was like, I have to put it in.
Plus Del Keeping.
So.
Oh, God.
All right. So this is like the
It's
PC.
got 2 GPUs in there.
Yeah. Look at that, dude.
Dude, those monitors are ancient.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Those monitors are ancient, dude.
59 hertz. Dude.
Look at those. You got 2 GPUs. Both of them, one has VGA, the other one has DVI.
It's got a lot of USBs.
A lot of USBs, a lot of infrastructure. Look at those monitors.
Bro,
dude.
it's got a built-in TV tuner.
Yes, it does.
I used to sell those at Tiger Direct, bro. People used to buy monitors and be like, oh, I want the monitor with the built-in TV tuner. I'm like, oh my God, dude. Wow, this is an old build.
Yeah.
I used to sell that.
Also, think it's pretty cool. Fans on the side of
that was a big thing back in the day.
Yeah.
Acrylic.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing needs to be like $100.
$100. You locking in 100?
150, dude. I swear to God, if this
Which one? 100 or 150?
150. If this guy literally, you know what? No, 200. Screw it, 200. If he asks, I'm giving him more than it should be.
All right.
It better not be more than
200.
It better not be more than $25.
250.
Okay. Still, bro, that's so stupid. Why 250? Dude, those monitors are like $15. $250 for that setup.
Your grand total of difference is $2,600.
That one. This one right here is what did it. That one. $950 difference.
I need you guys
Give
to
me that
different.
guy's information.
Guys,
I'm
if
going to reach
you
out to
don't
him.
have at least like $1,500 difference, I know you're lying. Because that one I knew was gonna get you. You should hire him as your marketing guy.
Oh my God.
I know this was definitely a little bit different of video. I just thought it would be a fun one. When we were traveling to Atlanta the other day, we decided to do this on our kind of like a little drive game.
Time to go by.
Yes. So we were like, oh, well, let's make this a YouTube video. So if you guys like this, you want us to maybe pick a different area in the country, maybe your area, drop that area in the comments below, and we might make another one of these and see how crazy and ridiculous those prices are for PCs. But
some of these are wild.
thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the video. I hope to see you in the next one.
Subscribe.